Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're in Bishop Stortford and we are repairing a 1 Series BMW. We're doing the front bumper corner on that. Excuse me. Yeah, scored right on the front lip of it, so yeah, I'll show you it when we get over there. I'm in loads of traffic at the minute and yeah, we'll be there soon. So yeah, show you what we've got to do when we get there and how we're going to sort it out. See you in a moment. Here we go, guys. That's what I got booked in to repair. This is a trade job. And then the customer, oh, I've got that down there as well. I was like, oh, okay. No one ever showed me that. That'll make no difference. We're going to have to clear down there, so we have to sort it. Right, let's crack on. Right, let's get some clear on this thing. Got the neighbour to move their car. The black one, well, you shouldn't reach the black one to be fair, but they can't move that one, and I haven't got any more magnets left to sheet it, so we're just spraying towards me at the minute, so we should be good. Right, let's crack on. Let's go, round 2. There we go, guys. Looking nice. Colour's spot on. There we have it, guys. That is officially jobbed. Customers over the moon. Came out really nice. When I mixed the colour, I wasn't happy with it. I actually tinted that by eye. I re-tinted it. Only added a little bit more black to it, but it looked a little light on the standard variation, and it wasn't far off. And I was just like, don't want to change everything else. All of the pearls and everything that looks up, because that's got loads of tinters in that colour. Got pearls and acrylics and God knows what in that one. I just added a little bit more black, mixed it up, had a look, and another little drop, and then we got there and it was decent. You couldn't see nothing. So yeah, came out well in the end. It's pretty funny. I didn't have that much dirt in it. I had a couple of bits of dust in it, but I had really nice flat clear coat and then a dry patch. Obviously the wind blew strong while I went across that part, so I smoothed all that out and then took the bits out and then ended up going over the majority of it. But yeah, it's clean, it looks really nice. I've got to yeah, try and get through the traffic and get to the next one now. So yeah, that is it from me today. As always, a massive thanks for watching, and
we see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.